Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So today we will talk about Samsung Galaxy Z Flip6. So let's get started. This phone body weight is 187 gram, glass front, glass back, aluminium frame. This phone display is 6.7 inch foldable and 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus, 1080 to 2640 pixel resolution. This phone cheapest is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm. Memory 256 GB with 12 GB RAM and 512 GB with 12 GB RAM. OS Android 14, One UI 6.1.1. Rear camera is 50 megapixel with 1.8 aperture. Ultra wide 12 megapixel with 2.2 aperture. Front camera 10 megapixel with 2.2 aperture. Video capture. This phone rear camera can capture 4K with 30 and 60 fps, HD with 60, 120 and 240 fps, and 720p 960 fps. And front camera is 4K with 60 fps. This phone battery is 4000 mAh non-removable battery with 25 watt wire charging. Connectivity 5G, eSIM, Wi-Fi 6 and NFC, and fingerprint reader and a good sound system. So if you are looking for a stylish and comfortable phone, then you can go with this. That was the video for today and see you in the next video. Thank you.